Assalamu alaikum student. This is the subject of elementary education and administration for BS4 semester 7. Today we are going to learn different types of instructional strategies that a teacher has to be used at elementary educational level. Number first method is demonstration method. It is the method in which a teacher demonstrates something, displays something in front of the student, which is the main topic of the class or subject. This method has been used very successfully throughout the history in our educational system. Elementary teachers used different books or play cards or any other material, hard material, which can be shown to the students in order to make the teaching process more interesting for them. The second method is hands-on method. In this method, the students learn different things or subjects on their fingers. As you have seen, especially in mathematical subject, students learn to count, to multiply, to divide on their fingers in the earlier classes. And as they move towards the upper grades, they keep on doing this, especially when the students are at elementary level. It is tried by the teachers that they keep this in their mind. When the students are able to do something, either counting or multiplication or division or something else on their hands and fingers, then they will be able to do this in their mind. And in this way, the learning process appears to be more successful and effective. The third method is the traditional lecture method. As you have seen in your classes right from the first day of your education, in this method the teachers use different books or notes, or maybe they give a verbal lecture information to the students, and then students make their own points and notes. But at elementary level, it is tried that student lecture should be given to them from the book, and students will learn it by heart from the book. The next method is collaboration method. In this method, we can make a combination of any methods: hands-on and lecture method, demonstration and lecture method, demonstration, hands-on and lecture method. The collaborated method is more effective and more successful. Now there are few other more methods which a teacher, elementary level teacher, has to use according to the situation or according to the resources available to the teacher. They include experimentation, observation, practical implementation, relating the information with personal and practical experiences, educational tours, exhibitions, and group discussions. Most probably, in our country, that is Pakistan, at elementary level, almost a collaborated method is used by the teacher every day. So for this purpose, it is the responsibility and the duty of the teacher that the teacher should be aware of all these types of methods, so that at the time of lecture, the teacher will be able to collaborate any methods which seems to be comfortable, which seems to be supportive to the teacher, and to make the teaching process more successful. Thank you students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.